So we're ready for our fat burn class today. This is the fat burn combo mix of yoga and Pilates together together with a cardio. So we'll get started. So in case if you are, if you have ankle weights, I need you to have ankle weights on to begin with this session. Okay. So I've got mine. I'm sure you have one. So let's put those weights on. If you don't have, that's okay. I totally understand that. So let's put that on. I'll just put an extra resistance to your exercise, especially when we are working on activating our glute muscles. So the idea of this particular class is to actually help you improve the strength in your postural muscles. The postural muscles are the muscles that keeps your posture upright. So they also include the muscles like in your buttocks here, the glutes, also includes the muscles in your back, other than your abdominal muscles and the core muscles, okay? So we work on all your postural muscles, but we also focus on large muscles, and we're gonna activate all those large muscles so that you can burn fat after the workout, right? It's a mix of yoga and Pilates, so I'm sure most of you can do most of these exercises without any problem. If you have a back pain or severe injuries, you want to back off a little bit on some of the exercises, I'll give you some options. All right, let's get started. Come down on your knees. And as you begin with this position, want to keep your hands nice and flat and keep your foot flat as well. This is your starting position. Take one breath in through your nose, and then as you exhale, just round your back. Again, articulate your spine. Lift your face and chest, look up. And again, as you exhale, just push into that flexion. And inhale, articulate your spine into the extension, you look up. Again, breathe out. And breathe in. We do one more round. Breathe out and just contract your abdominal wall as you focus on flexion of your spine. And then inhale as you release it back into a nice extension. Bring it back to your neutral spine. Let's stretch your one leg back and tuck all your 10 toes under. When you tuck your toes under, this works differently, okay, on different system of your muscles. So ready we go, pick up. Tighten up your buttocks and lift 1 and 2, 3. It's just a straightforward exercise. 4. Make sure your back is not sinking like this. Make sure your abs are lifted. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to do 25 today. 10, 11, 12. Keep going. I'm counting for you. Just lift up, or you count yourself. 15, 16. Keep going. 9 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Bring it back. Okay, let's change the leg. Extend your leg, and when you're ready, flex and tighten up your abs. Flex your ankle. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Keep going. You have to breathe in and out. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 is working, 24, and 25. Whew, that's it. That was just the startup. Let's take your right leg back. Keep it straight. Flex your ankle like this and lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your knee is slightly out. 5, 6. Focus on extension. 8, 9, 10. And release. Let's try the other leg. Extend, flex, lift, and bend your knee. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. You breathe. 5. It's all good. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release it back. Now, flatten your foot 10 feet, okay? At 10 toes. 10 feet. Okay, 10 toes. Lift the leg up. Ready? Pick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just work. 6, 7. Keep your abs tight. 8, 9, 10, 25. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Get it up. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring it back. Ooh, that works. For me, it works a lot harder since I'm carrying that 1 kilo in one leg. I'm sure some of you are carrying more than 1 kilos. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, you have to breathe. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Your legs are slightly rotated, right? The left leg slightly turned out every time you lift up. 18, make sure it's turned out slightly. 19, keep going. 20, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and that works. So you could feel all this in this area. Next one, if you felt your back, it's because you've been moving too much in your back and didn't keep your abs tight. So focus on keeping your abs tight. Last one here, tuck your toes under and lift. 1, the abduction. 2, 3, don't go too far. 4, 5, you should feel the resistance. 6, 7, 8, breathe. 9, and 10. Let's finish it on the other side. When you're ready, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can release. That's it. So that's all with ankle weights. Of course, you could use them later, but for now, I'm just gonna take them off, and you're okay to take them off too. So that is your choice. Let's come down here, focus on mobility. So first, stretch your ankle. You really need to push back so your calf can get a good stretch here. Nice and long calf stretch. If some of you have already got into the body reset, you should be feeling much lighter in your calf. It's a good stretch. And then stretch the other leg nicely. Yes, I'm just making sure that I use a lot on the left side. And then the right, just stretch only as far as you can control. Okay, don't force yourself, don't hurt yourself. And the other side. Now, let's walk your feet forward until they come right between your hands. Keep your body low, your hips must be low. Okay? Now, whenever you're ready, walk back. This is a mobility workout. Simple mobility exercise. Can you come all the way forward? Can you go all the way back without really lifting your hands so much? It doesn't matter how close you walk to your hands. The idea is to just walk forward. So you create mobility in your spine, hips, and pelvis, and forward. That's good. And forward. And step back. Ooh, that is easy. 2, 3, 4. After the reset I did on Sunday, it just helps a lot to relax the body and make it even more stronger, supple. So we go, last one, and come all the way into the front. Now, I'm just gonna step in the middle. So you see me clearly keeping your feet together, knees and thighs together, lift and hold. This is a static exercise. When you do, just stay. When you do this isometric contraction type of exercises where you stay in one of the position and hold a bit longer, what it does is it actually activates these muscles in a different fashion. What it does, it actually stretches the muscle while it contracts. So it makes your muscle more stronger. In terms of endurance, it increases your endurance. Hold in 2 and 1. Knuckles down. Ready? Try that again. Lift the hands up and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. And again, lift up and hold. Yes, everybody, you're sitting deeper. 10, 9, 8. We're going to do only 5 sets of 10. 7, 6. Sit down. Let your legs work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Good. Again, inhale. Lift the hands up. Hold. 10. Sit deeper. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. A little bit more down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your hands down. If you're tired, you just shake your legs just like this, and this will feel better. Others will go on. Continue lifting. Hold. Sit deeper. 10, 9, 8. You're breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down nicely. You can straighten the leg every time you want to relax the muscles, or don't relax them yet. Lift it up. This is the last round, I promise. Sit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You're breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow. Stand all the way up. That was working your glutes and your quads. So you feel the difference happening right into these areas of your body. Now, let's separate your legs a bit wider. Okay. The next exercise called the carry. Simply working through your legs a bit more here. Okay. Fingertips down when you're ready. Stretch your arms forward. Push your hip forward. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stand upright. Okay? So let's try that again. Bend down. How far your legs should be. Notice that your shin must be vertical to the ground, these bones. That's it. Hands in the front. And you gotta breathe. 10, 9, 8. Sit down a little more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fingertips down. Ready? Stretch your arms forward. Push your hips back. Look front if you can. And then push your hip forward. Open those knees. Check your heels are under your knees. 10, 9, 8. That's okay. 7, 6. I know how you're feeling. It's all about feeling. You must rely on feeling, not the look. 2, and 1. Stand up. Okay, how many more to go? Anyone? 7 more to go. Yes, you guessed it right. Stretch it forward. Hold. Now push it and hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand. Oh, that burns. Down. And stretch your arms forward. Whenever you're ready, push your hip. Hold it. 6, 5, and you breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stand up. Okay, that's right. Again, fingertips down. Sometimes I forget too many things in my head at this point, right? I'm thinking who's joining and how you guys are doing. I can imagine some of you already in my mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stand. Can you feel all these muscles working? Yes? Go down again. Fingertips on. Stretch. Push. No matter how many times you do, they still work. That's the key point. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you guess how many more to go? Anybody? I think it's 4 more to go. Stretch and up. You gotta stick with my counts. 4, 3, 2, 1, down. And again, stretch your arms forward. Lift up, hold. It's okay, we didn't stand up earlier. 3, 2, and 1. Stand. Oh, my legs. Ah, they're killing me. Oh. Hey, let's go down. Sorry, sometimes I may seem like an actor. Stretch your arm and look front. But it's a genuine feeling. My legs are really burning. 2 and 1. Come back in. And holding 1 and fully up and release. That's all. So that was for your leg. If you need to sip some water, go ahead and sip some water and join me for the next exercise. Okay, the next exercise is done right on your 4 points, all 4s. So I'll show you quickly while you're getting ready for this. So I want you to step one leg forward. Try to stay into this position. Okay, it's important that your toe always point forward. Do not twist your foot like that. You get it? When you jump forward, do not turn your feet out. Okay, keep your foot pointed. You know who I'm talking to. So know this. Yes, yes. Okay, ready? So let's show you this side. So we come up into the plank, and the position is going to be the plank. Ready? Step your 1 foot forward. Check how my toes are right now. Now, ready? 30 times. We go. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got to land. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good. 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 23, 24, 25, keep breathing, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and finish. Stand up. How did it go? Did you finish 30 yet? Okay, some of you are still counting the 30s. Okay, you gotta count your 30, not my 30s. Okay, let's separate your leg to work a bit more on your inner thighs. So to do that, first, separate your legs and open it like this. This is your starting position. Hands back. Ready? First, drop a little. Lift. 1. This is my favorite. 2, 3, 4. It will really work your abdominal muscles. Plus, it also helps you tone up these areas. This area which may be a little bit loose from sitting too long. 9 and 10. Ready? Jump back and go again. 1, 2. You can always place your hands like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Head up. 9, 10. Jump back. Okay, only 5 steps, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more to go. Jump back. Oh, working, burning. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. Jump back. And 1, 2. Come on. 3. You can do this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back in. Whew. That should burn those inner thighs. Wasn't that so simple? You just had to go up and down and jump back a little. So the very classical exercises when we play cricket to help tone up our inner thighs.